Hello everyone, today I'm going to do something else today. My friend's birthday is in August and I thought about an original idea to pack her surprise gift. So I bought her an album. I'm probably going to post this video after her birthday so she doesn't see the present yet. And first of all I'm going to cut some pictures out and take the album and wrap it up in some basic white paper, and then I'm going to decorate it with all her biases. I've got some pictures from some of her biases and bias wreckers. And I think this will be pretty fun to give her when it's all wrapped in her favorite people in the K-pop industry. So yeah. So I'm firstly going to cut some pictures out. And so like my papers are too small, so I've got two of them. I'll see how I'm going to wrap this. Like my papers are too small, so I've got two of them. I'll see how I'm going to wrap this up. Yeah, I think I'm firstly going to do it like this. I'm going to use some tape. And the other side. You probably see that I have two stacks of papers. It's because I have printed both the papers out twice. So if I not get enough pictures, I can use twice the same picture, but at another place. Not get enough pictures, I can use twice the same picture, but at another place. Okay, so I discovered that my camera doesn't want to film everything. So I wrapped this out, so now I'm going to wrap the other side. I'm going to wrap the other side, like this. So this is how it looks like when I finish. So yeah, my camera stopped filming constantly, always after around a minute. So like I packed it, and now I'm going to cut these pictures out and I'm going to try to decorate it. I don't know if it's going to look good, but I'm going to try my best. I've got the pictures here and I'm going to cut some of them out. I'll see how long my camera lasts. So yeah, because my camera wouldn't film more than a minute, I decided to take my camera and my phone instead. So I cut out the pictures and I'm going to make some kind of collage on the gift wrapping. In the next clip you'll see what I've thought about. So this is what I've come up with the front. So now I'm going to glue it all on and I hope it will come out the same, because it was some work to put it all together. We'll see. So like, we're a few days further because I didn't want to film anymore last time. So like, this is how I taped it. I also took my washi tapes out of the drawer just so I could use them afterwards. But we still need to do the back side, so... But look, yeah, it's a bit loose, that's why I would use the washi tape for the sides, for example. So this is what I've come up with. I don't know if it's going to work, but like, I need to be careful because here and on the other sides and also down there are stickers to open it, so I'm just going to need to cut some of the pictures a bit. So like, we'll see how this is going to work, but I hope it will be alright, and otherwise I would fix some things with the washi tape. So yeah, you'll see it just in a few seconds. So I glued them, but like some pieces are loose, and I still have 2 pictures left, but I already got a Wizzy and a Yoongi on the front, so I don't know, I'm just going to put it with washi tape like aside, or I'm just going to give them a side with her, I don't know. Now I'm going to look what I'm going to do with the washi tape for the sides or anything, or just as decoration, because the back side is, yeah, not that great. But like, I love the front, it's just the back side is a bit shitty, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I'll look how I'm going to fix this, but I just wanted to make sure that you could see how to open it, because otherwise it would just be a gigantic mess. So yeah, we'll see. So this is like how it's finished. I was a little too scared to write on the paper on the front, so I just used this little sticky notes to write her a happy birthday. The top and the bottom I did some kind of flower pattern with my washi tapes, and there are also little leaves on some of the corners of the pictures, and then the back side I used some happy for the space between it, and also here. So like, this is how I did it. I hope she'll like it. Maybe I'm going to update with what her reaction was. I don't know yet. We'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.